Hi guys, and welcome to the bakery. And today we're going to be making pie pastry. This type of pie pastry, you can make Cornish pasties, pork pies, that type of product. Do subscribe and share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. The pie pastry recipe is now on screen. Right guys, the first job we do, got your flour. What you're going to do is put a pinch of salt into the flour. Like that. And now we're going to sieve the flour. Though most these days flour does come pre-sieved really, if it's been in supermarkets for a while, they tend to be very lumpy because they've been lying around for a while. But like for this, there's not much lumps in it because it's good quality flour. Now we'll just do that again. And put that back in the bowl. Now for the pie pastry, obviously we've got lard. So that has to be boiled up with the water. Now we'll go and pop that into a microwave. Right. It should be in the microwave for around about 5 minutes. Give or take. Right guys, that's long enough. Right guys, now what you want to do is make a little well in the middle and just add in the liquid. Like that. And then you want to bring it into the middle. If any of you guys have made concrete before or cement, it's basically the same sort of thing. You're sort of working it in. Just gently for now. Right, we'll work this in. Just to pick up all the bits first, and then we'll get our hand in. That's sort of like, as you can see, it's already starting to go into that nice paste. And what it wants to be like is like Plasticine. Get your hands in it. Just gently go around. And that's it, guys. And that's all we do. Now, all you're going to do now, we let that cool down before we use it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and do share. Do check out the description below for the recipe. Also, there are some playlists. And in one of my next videos, I'll be showing you what we do with the pie paste to make pasties or pork pies, whichever the video is going to be. I'll see you again shortly. Laters!